Murray in a hurry. Lets it fly. Yes!
Good start for Jamal Murray. Didn't shoot the ball particularly well the other night.
Pass over to Gordon. And Gordon reverses. Come underneath, lay it up and in. And the Nuggets jump out 5-zip.
Can they sustain it?
And the first bucket for the LA Clippers, so they are on the board. 12-9 Denver here in the first quarter. Glad you're with us on altitude. Under to Zubac, and he's away. Julian Strawther has come into the game for the Denver Nuggets. Jamal Murray, career highs in points, field goal percentage, and threes a year ago. Harden lob it to Zubac, so when they come up,
Sometimes you get lucky. You got to get the ball up on the backboard.
18-14 our score. Jokic going to shoot a three. Got it. Played at Golden State last year, wearing number 9 for Denver here. Nuggets rotating and nobody guarding Porter Jr., so mix up there. So the Nuggets 2 of 8 from three-point land. They've made 7 of 22 shots. Meanwhile, the Clippers are shooting 50% as Harden nails it.
And then as they started bringing substitutes in, the lead went away.
Nuggets missed their last 5 shots until a Porter drive there.
He's only hit the brakes, Goose, and they're going to fly right by, and you're going to have a break to the basket.
Jamal Murray. And Murray knocks one in. So Murray, who had missed 4 in a row, connects. And the offensive rebound, once again, nobody blocking out Dunn on the weak side. And the dunk is missed. Dunn shoots a 3 and rattles it home. 31-24. Clippers aren't exactly lighting it up. And Zubac puts it in.
Missing shots early, they got to come in there tonight and get extra shots. They're going to run up the electric bill after this performance.
Porter Jr. around the screen. He's got room. Zubac, little floater. That's good. 24 is our score. LA leading. Gordon guarding Harden at the moment. Under to Zubac, and Zubac dunks it in. Team comparison, second quarter. Only 1 basket. Murray draws Zubac. Murray shoots over Zubac. And Murray hits over Zubac. Nuggets have closed to within 12. They're down by 18. Now Murray over to Jokic. He fires for 3. Yes!
3 threes in a row.
Powell. Harden dumping into Zubac. Jokic there. And Zubac, pretty good shot off the glass.
Trying to get it up there, but you use that glass when in trouble.
15 points, 7 rebounds for Zubac. And Jokic. Zubac, the foul. His first. 49-44. Underneath the Porter, pump fake.
This is first bucket. I really feel he's played well.
Powell for 3, and he answers back. And Murray picked up by Mann. 2-man game.
See the difference? There's the rolls open. Zubac gets it.
Murray, tough shot. Got it! Zubac lost it for a moment. Harden into Zuby. Zuby drops it in.
It's smart play. It's a pick and roll. Zubac, as big as he is, has a range of about 4 feet. He just goes in front of the rim.
Harden's got a double-double now. Brown is in the lane, drops it up, tips it in. Murray dumps it to Jokic. Nuggets down by 7. Jokic around his man, lay it up and in. So Jokic getting by Zuby. And Murray trying to get by Mann. That's part of the physicality we talked about. Scoop it. Brown for 3. Yes! Porter's got it. Give it to Jokic. Jokic coming in. Long steps!
Now, Powell didn't want to give Gordon the lob, but he gave it.
It's 62-61. Clippers. Harden has been a facilitator. Floats it up and floats it in. Trying to set up Murray. Strawther. Got a lane. Strawther give it to Jokic. Good idea. And Jokic puts it up and in. 64-63. Nuggets still trailing. Powell on the move. Lays it up and in. Gordon's got it. Gordon inside. Laid up. No! Got it back. Give it to Murray. Murray on the dribble drive. Over to Strawther for 3. Bang! Harden being guarded by his old friend and teammate, Westbrook. Knocked away. Nuggets have a chance here. Christian Brown on the run. Euro step. And the Nuggets lead. 68-66. Dunn crossing over Šarić. He just went off the glass. Got 7.7 rebounds. We're thinking about Zubac. And Zubac dumps it in. Westbrook will shoot a three. Around and out. Dunn has it. See points in the paint. 42 and the three by Dunn. So 75-71. 5 in a row for the Clips. Long range. Banking in. At last check had 12 assists.
At 0 in the first quarter.
Now, Strawder to Jokic. Jokic with the float. Oh, Shaq Gordon, who rocks the Casbah. Powell, covered up by Strawder. Powell.
Well, they're
And a three-point opportunity here. Well, the Nuggets lead is 2. Jokic, shoot another three. That's good! Joker is on fire! And off Murray. Murray picked up by Batum. Jokic has it. Jokic in the lane will fall away. No, got it back. Little runner. Yes! Nikola Jokic.
I'm okay not calling the tape foul.
84-80. Murray guarded by Coffey now. Now Jokic shoots another three. Again! Who knew it would be Jokic that would lead them in that category? Powell inside, lay it up and in.
That's corny, raise his hand.
Christian Brown. Now Harden hooks it into the corner. Powell for three. That's good. Man. Give it to Murray. Murray turns the corner. In on Zubac. Nice shot! Little stutter step there. Gets 2. Murray with his 15th point. Nuggets have Harden bottled up. Powell's hot. He lets it fly and he hits again. Clippers are now starting to click.
Trying to get Michael to move here.
Back cut. Porter puts it up. No, missed it. Porter got it back and he puts it away. Crouch end defense. Powell's had the hot hand. Here he comes. There he goes and he drops in another one. Tied at 94. Pass thrown away. It's going to be a layup or a dunk at the other end. Jones Jr. And that might be a technical.
Yeah.
Harden in the lane. Powell's got it. Here we go. Murray trying to body him up. And off the glass again. Harden into the corner. Harden's got 10 to shoot. Harden's got a lane. Pushes off. And hits. Porter over to Jokic for 3. Bang! Clippers have made 8 of their last 8 shots. Nuggets trying to swarm. Over to Powell, lets it go. Got it again! 109-104. Murray's going to let it loose from long range, and that is